Have you ever wondered what makes a relationship truly great? It's a question many of us ponder, yet the answer remains elusive. Is it love? Is it compatibility? Or is it something more? Today we're setting off on a journey to discover the 5 requirements of a good relationship. These are the pillars that hold up the structure of our most intimate connections. They are the foundation upon which every successful relationship is built. Stick around as we delve into the first requirement of a good relationship. The first requirement is the backbone of any good relationship: understanding and communication. Imagine 2 dancers executing a perfectly choreographed routine. They glide across the stage, each anticipating the other's moves, responding in perfect harmony. This, friends, is a visual metaphor for understanding and communication in a relationship. Now let's break it down. Understanding is the ability to comprehend your partner's feelings, thoughts, and behaviors. It's about recognizing their dreams, fears, and quirks. It's about knowing that your partner loves chocolate ice cream but detests vanilla. It's about understanding why they sometimes retreat into silence when they're wrestling with a problem rather than seeking your advice. And then there's communication. You see, understanding is the silent, listening part of the dance. Communication, on the other hand, is the expressive, speaking part. It's about conveying your thoughts, feelings, and needs clearly and honestly. It's about saying, "I need some time to myself," instead of retreating into silence. It's about expressing your love and appreciation, not just assuming your partner knows it. So how can we improve our understanding and communication? First, practice active listening. This means fully focusing on your partner, avoiding interruptions, and responding with empathy. Try to see the world from their perspective. Second, express yourself clearly and honestly. Don't bottle up your feelings or thoughts. If something bothers you, express it. If something makes you happy, share it. Remember, it's not about being right or wrong, it's about understanding the other's perspective and expressing your own. It's about creating a safe space where both of you can be yourselves, share your thoughts, and navigate through life together. And let's not forget, understanding and communication are a two-way street. It's a dance that requires both partners to participate fully. Just like the dancers, you need to learn to anticipate each other's moves, respond in harmony, and keep the rhythm of your relationship alive. Remember, understanding and communication are the foundation upon which a relationship is built. Moving on to the second requirement, trust and honesty. In the grand tapestry of relationships, 2 threads run consistently through: trust and honesty. They are the pillars that give strength to any relationship, and without them, the framework collapses. But what makes these 2 elements so crucial? Trust is like a safety net. It allows us to be our true selves, to share our thoughts, feelings, and dreams without fear of judgment or rejection. When we trust, we feel secure, and this security fosters a sense of peace and harmony in a relationship. It's like the smooth, steady rhythm of a heartbeat, keeping the relationship alive and healthy. Now, honesty is the lifeblood of trust. It's the clear, transparent mirror reflecting who we truly are. Honesty is about being genuine, about keeping our promises, about admitting when we're wrong, and about being accountable for our actions. It's about showing up every day as the best versions of ourselves. But just like any other desirable traits, trust and honesty are not given. They are earned over time. So how do we build trust and maintain honesty in a relationship? First and foremost, we need to practice consistency. Consistency in our actions, in our words, in our behavior. It's about proving over time that we are reliable, that we can be counted on. Next, we need to cultivate open communication. This means expressing our feelings and thoughts openly and honestly, even when it's uncomfortable. It's about creating a safe space where both parties feel heard and understood. Lastly, we need to demonstrate empathy. Empathy is about understanding and sharing the feelings of another. It's about stepping into their shoes, seeing the world from their perspective, and responding with kindness and compassion. So let's cultivate trust by being consistent. Let's maintain honesty by communicating openly, and let's foster deeper connections by demonstrating empathy. Because at the end of the day, trust and honesty are not just about telling the truth, they are about being true to ourselves and to each other. Without trust and honesty, a relationship cannot flourish. The third requirement is respect and appreciation. Imagine you're on a journey, and you've been walking for hours, you're tired and you're thirsty. Suddenly you come across a well, you're overjoyed, and you rush towards it, only to find that it's empty. That's what a relationship feels like when there's no respect or appreciation. It's like an empty well that can't quench your thirst. Respect and appreciation are like the water in that well. They quench the thirst of love and sustain the journey of a relationship. They are the magic ingredients that make a relationship flourish, that make it feel worthwhile. So, what does it mean to respect your partner? It means to value them for who they are, to acknowledge their right to their own feelings, thoughts, and experiences. It means to treat them with kindness and consideration, to avoid actions that might hurt them. It's about understanding that your partner is a separate individual with their own needs and desires, and it's about honoring that individuality. And then there's appreciation. It's about recognizing the value of your partner and expressing it. It's about noticing the little things they do and expressing gratitude for them. It's about making your partner feel seen, valued, and cherished. It's about saying, I see you, I value you, and I thank you. So how do you show respect and appreciation in a relationship? Start by listening. Really listen to what your partner has to say. Show interest in their thoughts and feelings. Show empathy and understanding. Avoid interrupting or dismissing them. Validate their experiences and emotions. Express gratitude. Say thank you for the little things. Show appreciation for their efforts, their kindness, their love. Let them know that you see their contributions and that you value them. Respect their boundaries. Understand that they have a right to their own space, their own time, and their own decisions. Avoid imposing your own desires and needs on them. And finally, be kind. Treat them with kindness in your words and actions. Show them that they matter to you, that they are important to you. A relationship is like a garden. It needs to be watered with respect and appreciation to thrive. It needs to be nurtured with kindness and gratitude to flourish. A relationship thrives when respect and appreciation are present. The fourth requirement is shared goals and values. Now you might ask, why is this important in a relationship? Well, imagine sailing a boat. If both of you are steering in different directions, chances are you're not going to get very far. The same applies to a relationship. Without a common destination in mind, you're likely to drift apart. Shared goals and values are the compass that guides your relationship. They give you a sense of purpose, bringing you closer as you work together towards achieving these shared objectives. They form the foundation of your relationship, providing the guiding principles that steer your actions and decisions. But what if your goals and values aren't aligned? Does it mean doom for your relationship? Not necessarily. It's all about finding that middle ground. You see, relationships are a lot like dance. It's a delicate balance of leading and following, adjusting your steps to match your partner's rhythm. Start by understanding each other's values. What is important to each of you? What are your priorities? What are your dreams, your aspirations? Once you understand these, you can start aligning your goals. This doesn't mean giving up on your individual goals. It just means finding a way to integrate them into your shared vision. Here's a tip. Write down your individual goals and then discuss them together. See where they overlap and where they differ. Then, identify ways you can support each other in achieving these goals. Remember, it's not about compromising your goals for the sake of the relationship. It's about finding a way to grow together while still growing individually. As you navigate through your relationship, there may be times when your goals and values seem to diverge. That's okay. It's all part of the journey. The key is to keep communicating, to keep adjusting your sails to face the wind together. In conclusion, shared goals and values aren't just about having common interests or hobbies. They're about having a shared vision of your future together. They're about aligning your actions and decisions towards achieving this shared vision. Shared goals and values provide a direction for the relationship. The fifth and final requirement is love and affection. A simple statement, but one that carries profound truth. Love and affection are the foundations upon which enduring relationships are built. They are the invisible ties that bind us to each other, the threads of emotion that weave together the tapestry of our shared experiences. Let's delve a little deeper, shall we? Love is like the sun that lights up our world. It's a wellspring of warmth, comfort, and joy. It's that deep, abiding emotion that makes us want to be the best version of ourselves for the ones we care about. Affection, on the other hand, is the gentle breeze that cools us on hot summer days. It's the soft, tender touches, the warm hugs, the whispers of sweet nothings that make us feel cherished, wanted, and valued. Expressing love and affection isn't about grand gestures or extravagant gifts. It's about those small, everyday moments of care and consideration. It's about showing up, being present, and letting your partner know through your actions that they matter to you. It's about saying, I love you, not just with words, but with your time, your attention, your respect, and your kindness. Love and affection are not just feelings, but choices. Choices we make every day to love, to care, to understand, and to support, they are the essence of a good relationship, the lifeblood that keeps it thriving and healthy. Love and affection are the heart and soul of a relationship. And with that, we've covered the 5 requirements of a good relationship. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about effort and intent. And most importantly, it's about love.